Hello, and thank you for joining us for this lesson on Workbooks CRM. Make sure you check out our free live training webinar class schedule at www.lucidswitch.com/webinar. Also, follow us on Twitter and Facebook for updates on workbooks, CRM best practices, and new video tutorials. This video is going to give you a quick understanding of all the elements that exist within a form layout. In this example, we have a person record layout, and we can see that by the person icon in the top left corner of the window. Layouts are divided into fields and sections. So we've got fields here, and then there's sections that are going to exist within the layout itself. Here we have the main form column layout, which actually consists of two columns. So the column on the left is the main form column 1, and the column on the right is main form column 2. Column 1 is not tiled and bordered, nor is it collapsible, so we don't have the ability to collapse that. On the right hand side we have a tiled and bordered section, so you can see the border here, and that is called employer profile, and underneath that we have a tiled and border section called additional contact. So this information is initially hidden, but by clicking on the arrow here we can see that there's some hidden fields that exist. Below that we have other sections which are tiled and bordered and shown by default. So the employee information is shown by default. And there's a tiled and bordered section that is not collapsible, which is called driver info. And a few other sections beneath that which are tiled and bordered. You can see that secretary info is shown by default, and employee notes are hidden. So if I expand on, hit the arrow, then I can expand on that and see that we can see other fields that exist within that. The next video is going to go into more detail on creating these sections, and this video is simply a quick intro on some of the terminology of what these things mean. The other thing that we can notice, this is the configuration section of the form layouts, and we'll get into that in the next video. But the parent section form here that we can see is the master layout, in which we can create sections that will fall under each other. So we see here we've got the main form column layout, then we have employee information, driver info, secretary info, and those are all different sections that exist in the main form. We can also create other sections within sections depending on what your requirements are, but we can get into that if you contact us at our website www.lucidswitch.com. Thank you.